Hi, Dr. Brad DeBels with Weedman Lawn Care. I wanted to talk today a little bit about overseeding. Overseeding our lawn is great to help fill in bare areas from the stresses of summer or even shade, or even to help introduce new types of grasses that can help our lawns better deal with diseases and summer stresses. You can see here that we've spread some seed on the surface. It's really important that when we do that we get great soil to seed contact. When we spread it across a surface like this, it may not work well, but we can also mechanically scratch the surface to get that soil to seed contact. One way that you can do that is to double aerate your lawn and spread the seed over those holes, and they'll fall in there and get great soil to seed contact. But you're also helping the lawn by removing some of that thatch layer and potentially compaction that is there. Once you've done that, it's very important to make sure you water your lawn daily when we're not getting rainfall. It may take anywhere from a couple of days to multiple weeks for that grass seed to germinate. At Weedman, we very often pair our double fall aeration and overseeding to help enhance our lawns. So if you're interested, absolutely give us a call. If you have any questions about how to water your lawn or water the seed, check out our video about watering tips for your lawn.